friends, here I am Som Chakravarti. I am a first year student in MIT Academy of Engineering Alandi, Pune. I would like to explain what I learned from these courses Kali Linux Basic and Linux File System. So, I would like to introduce you the Kali Linux Basic System. Kali Linux is a specialized Linux distribution used for penetration testing, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking. It is built on Debian and includes a vast array of tools used for tasks such as network scanning, vulnerability assessment, web application testing, and digital forensics. Developed and maintained by Offensive Security, Kali Linux provides a robust environment for security professionals, research, and even other departments. The primary feature of Kali Linux it is extensive toolkit. It includes tools like Metapolist for exploration and Map for network mapping, Wireshark for packet analysis, Burp Suite for web security testing, and many others. Kali Linux supports a wide range of devices, including ARM-based devices like Raspberry Pi, making it versatile for both desktop and embedded systems. Kali Linux is known for its default root user configuration, which allows user full administration access. However, recent versions of Kali emphasize using a non-root user account by default for security reasons. The distribution is regularly updated with new tools and bug fixes, ensuring that it stays at the forefront of the cybersecurity world. For those who are starting with Kali, it is recommended to understand basic Linux commands and the Linux terminal environment. While Kali Linux is a powerful, it is not beginner friendly operating system. It is meant for users with a good understanding of network security and Linux. Now I would like to introduce with a new topic which is a complete guide to Linux file system. The Linux file system is a structure hierarchical starting from the root directory known as slash, or you can say a normal slash, which is a directory where all the system files and directory reside. It follows the file system hierarchy standard FHS, which ensures consistency and compatibility across different Linux distributions. Understanding the Linux file system is essential for navigating and managing a Linux system. Now, I would like to say what we can learn from these topics. Firstly, understanding security with Kali Linux. Kali Linux serves as an invaluable tool for security professionals. Learning Kali Linux introduces you to the world of penetration testing and ethical hacking. It equips you with knowledge about common vulnerabilities and how to exploit and mitigate them. It also teaches the importance of security tools and strategies in protecting system. Now, next is navigating Linux system. By understanding the Linux file system, you get insight into how Linux organizes data. This knowledge helps with system administration tasks like managing files, installing software, troubleshooting, and ensuring that the system runs smoothly. You learn how to locate important files, manipulate system configuration, and optimize your use of the terminal. Next is Linux command line proficiency. Both Kali Linux and Linux file system navigation require comfort with the command line. As you work with Kali, you will improve your skills in using command line tools, which are essential for managing and interacting with Linux system. Next is security and administration integration. Both Kali Linux and a deep understanding of the Linux file system are crucial for maintaining security and well-functioning system. As a cybersecurity professional, the ability to both secure system and understand how to manage them is the key. Now, I would like to explain the importance of Kali Linux. Understanding Kali Linux is crucial for anyone in cybersecurity. It offers tools for penetration testing and security research. Mastering it can enhance your career prospects. Now I would like to explain the Kali Linux basics. Kali Linux basics covers installation, configuration and navigation. It includes command line tools effectively as I earlier told. You will also learn about scanning and vulnerability assessment. What are the challenges in learning? Some find the command line interface challenging. Others struggles with understanding complex tools. In this, for example, I struggle with the to understand the complex tools. Also, I struggle in the command lines little bit. Now, I would go with the Kali Linux installation. There are several ways to install Kali Linux, including a full installation on hardware, a virtual machine VM, or using Lifeboat. So there are various ways to download Kali Linux. You can also download the Kali Linux from their official website. Then you have to choose the appropriate version based on your system architecture. Example 64-bit, 34-bit, and ARM address. Now the next step is create a bootable USB or a setup virtual machine. USB installation. USB use a tool like Rufus, Windows or Etcher or anything to create a bootable USB drive. Make sure the USB drive has at least 8 GB of free space. Now I would like to explain the VM installation. You can use VMware or VirtualBox for a virtualized installation of Kali. Now the step 3 is install Kali Linux, boot the system, language selection, network configuration, partitioning, user account creation, installing the GRUB bootloader. So after this you have to do the Kali Linux configuration. After installation you may need to adjust several configuration settings to optimize the system. First you have to update Kali Linux. Once Kali Linux is installed and running, the first step is to update the system. Open a terminal and run the following commands: push sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade, sudo apt dist upgrade. This commands ensures that you have the latest software and security updates. Now you have to set up network configuration through Wi-Fi configuration or Ethernet configuration. Now next is install additional tools. Kali Linux come pre-installed with over 600 tools for penetration testing and security auditing, but you may want to install additional ones. Bush sudo apt install tool name. For example, to install Metapolist, you can use this code. Now next is setup user permissions. For security it is recommended to use non-root users for regular tasks. Kali uses a default user called Kali with sudo privileges. If you want to add new users, then you can also add that. Navigating Kali Linux. Once installed and configured, understanding how to navigate Kali Linux is crucial. Using the command line, most of the Kali's functional release on the terminal. Here are some commanding basics commands: navigating directories, managing files, using test editors, Vim. So there are various ways to command. Now I would like to tell about some accessing tools. Kali Linux has numerous tools that can be accessed either through the terminal or via the GUI. For example, Metapolist framework, Wireshark. Now, by following this step, you will have learned, configured, and learned how to navigate Kali Linux. It is important to continue exploring and learning about the various penetration testing and security tools Kali provides, as well as refining your skills in using the terminal and configuring the system. Thank you very much.